ColRobot solution uses human gestures to ask the execution of robotic tasks to a collaborative robot. A third-hand functionality is available in which the robot assists the human in assembly tasks. The human guides the collaborative robot by hand in rough or precise robot movements. The collaborative robot holds the part while the human screws it to other part. The benefits for humans are huge, since high flexibility for industrial tasks, low exposition by the human to non-ergonomic positions, reduction of low valuable human work, increasing of production, among other benefits. ColRobot, the manufacturing assistant of the future.